that time. It's that time. That's tough. Look at this shit. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? What's up? What's up? What's up? They don't get that type of love. We just in the street with it. We don't care. That's actually a fire Tesla. That's a fire Tesla. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. They're like South Dallas. Man, look at that thing, bro. It's crazy. Scrape that lip, crazy. Okay. The pulsating freaking headlights, bro. How unique is a shark vet? Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh man. Look at that thing. And then right behind it, right behind it. I'm telling y'all, bro. It's like, dog, I just can't get over how much carbon he has on here. Carbon there. Carbon there. Carbon on the door handles.
This guy is, yes.
Carbon on the rear view mirrors. The badges. He's got carbon everywhere.
Yeah, it's a fantastic car, isn't it?
I like those rims. The rims are sick. That's what I heard, that 911. No, I heard that Audi. Ooh. Pull up game proper. I swear, bro. Time coming, it's gonna come, bro. It's gonna come, yeah, I'm telling you. And that's a V10. Is that ZR1 or am I tripping? That's a ZR1. Dang. That's a ZR1. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get a breeze. Gotta keep a cat in the cut. Gotta keep a cat in the cut. On the 4Gs. Cat on the 4G. The RX-7s. Goodness. Gotta keep a cat.
Actually, I take back what I said for picture purposes. Yeah, I got it. You can turn a little bit more to the, yeah. Now bring that.
I know, bro, it's crazy.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
It's a 2006.
Oh wow, it was incredible.
765 LT, baby. I can't get my big foot in this car. And it's a BMW. For real. Look at the interior. That is tough. Headlight delete on the M2. Nah, it ain't rain yet. Yeah, man. This has been another Ale and Octane. We're gonna go ahead and get up out of here before this rain falls. This drop just hit me on my shoulder. So yeah, man. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.